Good day everyone. We will discuss about estimated number of rows in an execution plan and histograms, EQ rows, distinct range rows and average range rows in this video. Let's get started. I'll be using database JBS Wiki for this video. Let's look at the statistics details for statistics IX underscore test on table color. The statistics name is IX underscore test. It is last updated today around 9:45 p.m. It has got close to 1,899 rows, and the rows sampled is also same as the number of rows. And as far as the density is concerned, what I'm able to see is that the value is 0.54 as far as the column color is concerned. And as far as the histogram is concerned, we have two rows on the histogram, like close to two steps, and the range high key red and white, and values for other things are here. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to disable the actual execution plan, and then I'm going to insert some rows onto this table, which is color, and then I'm going to look at the output for this query. Let me start this insert. Let me pause this video. I will update you guys once the insert is completed. Okay, the insert is completed now. I'm going to update the statistics for colors table with a full scan. Okay, this is completed. So let me enable the execution plan and then let me run this query. So what I'm able to see is like as far as the estimated number of rows is concerned, I'm able to see 59.4 value. So now I just want to understand how did we get this value. So what we'll do is like, let's run this query to get the list of statistics that is on column color, because that's the predicate that we are using. So IX test is one. So what we'll do is like we will try executing this one here and then try to understand where did we get this 59.4. So the predicate used is color 60 for column color. So let's see if we can get color 60. So going down here, let's see if we have something called color 60. Okay, so what I'm able to see here is like I don't see a color 60. Instead, what I'm seeing is like color 60 is basically buried between the color 57 range high key and color 62 range high key. So in this case, what we basically do is like we basically take up the average range row, which is kind of an estimate here. So since the value of color 60 is buried between color 57 and color 62, what we basically do is like we take the value that is present in average range rows, which is 59.4, which is same to our query. So if you want to execute this query again and look at the estimates again, what we can see is like the estimated number of rows is basically 59.4. Moving on, what we'll do is like now that we saw that color 60, this particular predicate is buried between 57 and 62. Let's look at this one here again, and then let's go down and then check this where we have this color 57 and 62. So our predicate, the last predicate was between these two. So what I'll do is like I will check this one, and let's calculate if we are able to get these values at least for 57 and 62, whatever we are seeing here, as far as 62 is concerned, if it is correct or not. So what I'll do first is like I would first try running this value here. So what I'm seeing is like I'm going to check the distinct color from color table where color is greater than 57 and color is less than 62, and let's see if we are able to see whatever values that we are going to get for this query is same as the distinct range rows. So when I execute that, what I'm able to see is like there are five. So that means like if I run this query, the distinct range row for 62 should be 5. So let's look at that. So if we look at it, the distinct range rows is exactly 5. Moving on, the next one that I'm going to try is like I'm going to check the count for the number of rows that is between color 57 and color 62, and that basically gives you the range rows. Range rows is basically all the rows between the between between two range high keys that we have in the histogram, excluding the upper bound value, including the duplicate. So let's run this query and then see how many rows we get. It is 297. So let's go ahead and then try running it and then see for color 62 if we are able to see 297. Color 62, and what I'm able to see is that the range rows is 297. So whatever we explained seems to be same. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.